Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily gain access to Amazon return pallet. So if you like to buy Amazon pallet online, or you like to buy them close to you irrespective of your location, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy them at your own ease. So if this is something you would like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Amazon return pallet and easily gain access to them irrespective of your location. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to buy Amazon return pallets on the Amazon website itself. So what you want to do now is to go over to Amazon. All right, so once you're on Amazon, what you want to do is come over to this search bar here. So on this search bar, you want to search for liquidation stock pallet. So once you click once you enter liquidation stock pallet, you're going to see some of the keywords here. So as you can see, liquidation stock pallet, liquidation stock pallet returns, and the like. All right, so depending on what you want to buy, you could also adjust the keyword. So I'm just going to search for liquidation stock pallet here, and when I click enter, it's going to bring out some of the pallets that they are actually selling on Amazon website itself. All right, so as you can see, so these are some of the return pallets they are selling on the Amazon website. So depending on what you want, you could actually just go through the available product here, search through them, and check for what you want. So if you want to adjust the search return as well, you could also come back here. All right, so you could inflate the price depending on how much you are willing to buy this product on Amazon. You could also come over here, then inflate the price and enter what it is you like to pay for this Amazon return pallet. All right, so the first method is to actually buy them on the Amazon website. So after that, what I'm going to show you now is how you can actually get them close to you. All right, so the next method is you searching for Amazon return pallet on Facebook. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to Facebook. All right, so this is my Facebook here. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to the Facebook marketplace. Okay, so once you are at the Facebook marketplace, what you want to do is you want to enter Amazon pallet here. As you can see, so these are some of the keywords people are actually searching for as well. So you could search for Amazon pallet, you could search for Amazon pallet liquidation, you could also search for Amazon pallet for sale near me. So let me go for Amazon pallet liquidation. So as you can see, so these are some of the items that are available. So if you scroll down again, you could also search by categories. So as you can see, we have vehicle, we have property for rent, we have clothing, electronics, and like. So depending on the kind of pallet you want to buy, you could also use this category to narrow it down. So if the price is okay for you, or if you are looking for more bigger items, you could also come over to the pricing section here to adjust the price. So depending on the product, or depending on the condition of what you want to buy, you could also come over here, then check on the condition. So as you can see, we have new, so we have used like new, we have used, which is good, we have used, which is fair, and the like. So if I click on used like new, it's going to update the result here. So as you can see now, the product they've showed here are Amazon pallets that are used but still looks like new. Okay, so you can just go through them depending on what you want. So if you see anyone you like, you could just click on it, and it's going to bring out the details of the product. All right, so looking at it, it says Amazon return pallet, best batch yet. All right, so these are the condition of the product. So Amazon return pallet, so 99 pounds small and 150 pounds medium. So electronic, toys, clothes, phone accessories, kitchen appliance, garden appliance, and the likes. So if it's still available, so what you simply have to do is just click on send, and if it's available, they're going to reply you, and so from there you guys can start communicating about the product. So like I said, the second method is you buying this Amazon pallet on Facebook. So just go to Facebook marketplace and search for any particular product you have in mind that you love to buy. So the third option is you using a third-party website. So the name of the first website is liquidation.com. All right, so this is the website, liquidation.com. So depending on what you want to buy, so what you want to do is you want to come to this category section here. So you could just go through this category. All right, so if it's clothing and accessories you want to buy, you could click on this, and if it's electronics you could also click on it. So let's click on clothing. Let's click on consumer electronics. All right, so here we have mobile device, so I'm going to click on mobile device. All right, so as you can see, so these are some of the mobile device of Amazon return pallets that you can buy on this website. So basically what you want to do is, just go through all of them, depending on the ones you like. Just go through them, and as you can see, some of them are closing today. So just go through the website and search for any particular products you have in mind, and also don't forget to use the category section to narrow down your searches. All right, so the third website is liquidation.com, and this is exactly how you can use them. You could also search by location here. All right, so depending on the particular country you have, you could also search for the location here, or search for the name of the item you would like to buy. All right, so the last website I'm going to talk about is upliquidation.com. So this is just like liquidation and .com as well. So you could also come over to this website and gain access to Amazon return pallet. So what you want to do here is you want to scroll down here. So as you can see, they have general merch, they have footwears and the like. So depending on what you want to buy as well, and they also have truckloads here. All right, so depending on what you want to buy, you could just come over here, click on this general merch to discover more, and if you like the chocolates here, you could just click on them to learn more about the product. As you can see, so this is so these are usually bigger Amazon return pallets that they are selling here. So if this is something you like, just come to the description of the product and go through what the product is all about. All right, so what you should actually know about this return pallet is that if you buy some of this pallet, not all of the product is going to be good. All right, so you just need to have this at the back of your mind. Yeah, so not all of this product is going to be good, but I think like 80 to 90% of them can actually be good. All right, so depending on what you actually want for yourself, just do your own diligent search before you buy any of these Amazon return pallets. So this is basically how you can gain access to these Amazon return pallets, buy them online or buy them close to you. Yeah, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.